Royaltop manual drip coffee maker with grinder is designed with portability and durability in mind, so you can brew a fresh cup of coffee whether you're camping or outdoors. Our multifunctional coffee maker includes an insulated coffee cup, grinder, filter, and lid, which can be quickly combined into a single unit that is compact and portable. The grinder uses manual grinding, durable and low-cost tapered ceramic burrs, and no electronics at all, so it is more durable and not to break. If you are interested in this product, contact us for more information.